Get ready for the dictation. Start. Thus, we do not find any good ground to interfere with the aforesaid directions given by learned single judge in the judgment and order under appeal as admittedly, in terms of the provisions contained in section 3 within bracket 3 of the Act, 1993, horizontal reservation should not result in adjustment of all the candidates selected on the basis of horizontal reservation against the open category seats, otherwise the same would be clearly violative of subsection within bracket 3 of section 3 of the Act, 1993, stop para. Learned single judge in the judgment and order under appeal has found the selection to be vitiated on yet another ground, that is, violation of Rule 15 within bracket F of Service Rules, 2008, according to which, on the basis of main written examination, number of candidates to be selected has to be 3 times the number of vacancies for permitting such candidates to be called for and participate in group discussion. Stop. It is not in dispute that total number of vacancies was 4010, and thus in terms of the provisions contained in Rule 15 within bracket F of the Service Rules, 2008, the total number of candidates, who were required to be selected on the basis of evaluation of written examination would be 12030 for allowing them to participate in group discussion. Stop. In the selection, which was under challenge before learned single judge, as against 12030 candidates, total number of candidates who were declared successful and were called for and subjected to group discussion was 14243. Stop. Thus, 2213 candidates in excess were called for group discussion, and it was thus, contended by the writ petitioners that the same was violative of Rule 15 within bracket F of the Service Rules, 2008, stop para. In respect of the aforesaid issue, it has been contended by some of the appellants that though the prescription of ratio 1:3 for the purpose of group discussion is the minimum, but Rule 15F of the Service Rules, 2008 does not prescribe the maximum ratio, and further that the said rule does not provide that more than 3 times the number of vacancies cannot be the number of candidates, who will be called for group discussion. Stop. It has, thus, been argued that while determining the number of candidates to be allowed to participate in the group discussion, regard has to be given to rule of reservation as prescribed in Rule 6 of the Service Rules, 2008, stop. It has also been contended that requirement of calling of number of candidates equal to 3 times the number of all vacancies for group discussion, is not mandatory, rather it is directory. Stop. Further submission made in this regard is that as to whether a provision is directly or mandatory has to be determined on the basis of within bracket first intent of legislation, within bracket second language and phraseology of legislation, and within bracket third nature, design and consequences of legislation. Stop para. To fortify the said arguments, reliance has been placed on the judgments of Honorable Supreme Court in the case of May George versus Special Tahsildar and others, within bracket 2010, 13 SCC 98 stop. It has also been contended that since some of the writ petitioners are themselves beneficiary of exceeding the ratio of 1:3, therefore, on that ground they cannot challenge the selection stop para. Learned counsel representing the state has sought to offer an explanation for transgressing the ratio of 1:3 stop. It has been submitted that in case the number of candidates only 3 times the number of vacancies were called, then the last candidate belonging to other backward class category, who had secured 294.667 marks would not have been called for group discussion, though the marks secured by the last open category candidate was only 208.25 stop. Submission, thus, is that OBC category candidates, even having secured higher marks, could not have been called for participation in the group discussion, which would have rendered the process unreasonable, since the reserved category candidates are also to compete for general category posts stop para. Rule 15 within bracket F of the Service Rules, 2008 prescribes that a candidate who is declared successful in physical efficiency test shall be required to appear in the main written examination carrying 400 marks in the subjects detailed therein stop. It further categorically prescribes that a candidate, who fails to obtain minimum 50% marks in each subject shall not be eligible for recruitment stop. Further prescription in the rule is that the recruitment board shall prepare a list of successful candidates on the basis of marks secured in the main written examination, having regard to the need for securing due representation of the candidates belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and others under Rule 6 stop. It further provides that number of candidates to be selected in the main written examination shall be 3 times the number of vacancies stop.